Hey everybody, Sean here with Revealing Truth. Just a quick FYI today. It would appear that TBN, otherwise known as the Blasphemy Network, is dropping Kenneth Copeland from its program as of October this year. Now, while that sounds like a good thing in one sense, it's out with the old and in with the new, but unfortunately, the new is Stephen Furtick.
Oh, no. This did not happen.
It would seem that they are moving in a new direction and replacing some of the old school heretics with the younger, more charismatically deceiving preachers we have today. And that is what's most troubling. People like Copeland are noticeably false with their antics and track records, but these new slicksters have a much more refined way of deceiving people. But if you are a TBN fan, don't worry, they plan on continuing to preach the prosperity gospel. Some things will never change. Anyhow, stay alert, read your Bible, and don't watch TBN, and you should be just fine. So until next time, take care, and God bless.